Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
OnePlus has been on a serious launch streak lately, and today we've got one of their newest releases in hand, the OnePlus Turbo 6. Let's crack open the box and take a first look at what this phone is bringing to the table. The color we're checking out is Light Chaser Silver, and right away, it looks pretty slick. Starting with the unboxing, OnePlus once again includes a protective case that perfectly matches the phone's body color. The feel of this case is surprisingly nice, it doesn't yellow over time, and it fits the phone snugly with no awkward gaps. Now let's focus on the phone itself. The back panel gives off a design vibe similar to the OnePlus 9R, with a clean and well-balanced camera layout. Everything feels orderly and refined, and that silver finish really pops with a subtle shimmer when light hits it. Honestly, on a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate this design? Moving to the front of the OnePlus Turbo 6, the screen design has clearly changed. It now uses a flat display paired with generously rounded corners. The flat panel makes it much easier to apply tempered glass protectors, while those large rounded corners add a premium touch that looks great the moment you turn the phone on. The Turbo 6 is equipped with a BOE-made 1.5K display and an ultra-smooth 165Hz refresh rate. On top of that, OnePlus has added eye protection features this time around, which is definitely a welcome upgrade. Now let's talk about the battery, because this part is honestly wild. The Turbo 6 packs a massive 9,000 mAh battery. Battery sizes have really escalated lately. There was a time when 6,000 mAh felt huge, and now OnePlus has jumped from 7,500 mAh to 8,300 mAh and straight to 9,000 mAh. That's seriously pushing the limits. Aside from that, the Turbo 6 still comes with full dust and water resistance, so durability hasn't been compromised. That's it for this quick unboxing and first look. I'll be back soon with a full in-depth review, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.